When Snap went public, it did a lot of sharing about the past. They talked about developing the app, adding new features, and its financials up until that point. But investors got next to nothing when it comes to forward-looking guidance. That's left Wall Street eagerly awaiting the company's first earnings report.
It's an event that can set the stage for how investors see the company. When Twitter first reported earnings in 2014, its stock plunged more than 24% because Wall Street was concerned about the company's user growth rate. And in 2012, when Facebook had its first earnings report, its stock fell more than 11%. People were concerned that the company would never make money off of mobile phones, where its users were migrating.
An added pressure for Snap is that Facebook and Twitter have conditioned investors to focus on user growth. But that's not what Snap's management team thinks Wall Street should judge them on. Snap wants investors and analysts to think about a different benchmark: how obsessed its users are with the app.
That's right, and they've said they don't want investors to focus on their user growth, which has been slowing. They said they want to focus on expansion in developed countries, where there's faster internet and a healthier advertising market, where they can make more money for each user.
Look, that might be valuable in judging Snap's own growth over time. The problem is, investors and analysts compare companies to their peers. And some might see this as a convenient excuse for Snap to combat concerns over justifying its valuation of upwards of $25 billion.
People are worried in part because Facebook keeps copying Snap's most popular features. Facebook's social apps now all have a version of Snapchat Stories, where users can go upload videos of their day as it happens. On Instagram, the feature is incredibly popular, with more than 200 million daily active users.
Now, Snap's notoriously secretive CEO Evan Spiegel and his management team will finally be forced to speak publicly about their plan to stay one step ahead.
If their argument is to look away from the user growth number, what other numbers are they going to give investors to think about? Will they perhaps give us a little bit of insight into their mobile TV shows that don't require as much user growth to be successful?
Either way, investors could be in for one of the most interesting and most volatile trading days for Snap so far.